Yeah, I got you. I got you.
All right. We got Mike's 59 Apache all tuned up here. We did some new suspension upgrades. We got a beefy splined sway bar. We can turn lock to lock. Let's see what else. We did all new airbags because the rear forward-link brackets busted off because they were janky and somebody didn't put them on right. So there was no way this truck was even hooking up to begin with. And it had some giant wheel spacers in the front that were big no bueno. So we got rid of those. We made new control arms that were 1.5 inches wider, eliminated the wheel spacers, and we got some beefy forward-link brackets now. And the pinion is at the correct angle. We got new shocks. Let's see how this bad boy handles. It's got an LS3, naturally aspirated, but it's a beast. But man, I feel sorry for the owner because he wasn't even really getting the full performance out of this thing. You can tell it sounds pretty healthy. Uh-oh, we got a school bus situation here. I don't know if you're supposed to stop when you're over here or what. Probably better stop just in case. I don't want to scare them little kids. It gets with it. It actually launches now too. Man, that thing must have been rattling and clunking before with that bracket. The four-link bracket literally fell off in my hand. So it was like super sketchy. Looks up pretty good. Got a little squirrely there for a minute. Brakes are working good. One of the brake rotors had a giant gouge in it from somebody putting too long of a bolt in it. So we got the brakes all tuned up, new pads, turned the rotors down. So it feels really good. I mean, it turns lock to lock.